Hey, my name is Venison Jeffrey, and today we are broadcasting on the Workers' Rights Network, something that you would have been hearing years now. Today we are going to talk about body alignment. Your hip, your back, your shoulders, your feet, your toes, your fingers, your eyebrows, your ears, your nose, or if you are going too far. But when you see this video, you are going to understand what we are really talking about. Now, there are somatic pains that exist within our body. And everybody know from since back then that tablets only address symptoms. Now, many of you do not know that there are solutions that are outside of that, because the pharmaceutical industry would have forced things down our throat. Yeah, down our throat. But this experience that I would have experienced with a chiropractor and a spiritualist at the same time too, because he was able to tell what was going on with me from the time I mentioned it. And the solution, boy, pain relief. How much will you or will you pay for relief when you're going through pain? Trust me, Allah. So what I am going to do today is shine a light in a place that many of you don't know. Now this is taking place within Tisha Village in the Point Fortin area. Yes, Tisha Village in the Point Fortin area. But before we go on as to what we are talking about, let me go right in there.
How you describe the feeling as a sudden relief, a sudden pain, and a relief at the same time?
A sudden relief. I can't even say pain. The pain gone. The pain gone immediately. The pain I was getting, yeah, brother boy.
Many of you would have heard that. But like many of us here in Trinidad and Tobago, we need more material to start to believe in the story. So don't go. A matter of fact, let me jump right into it. I mean, you'll get a more better explanation from the man himself, the man with the angel touch. Take a look.
Right.
Well, I just normally do body alignment. Tension on your neck, your back, your waist, to loose, not to, from time to time you just get a tension on your back and on your neck, on your hand, on your shoulders. You understand? So I just release them joints and make sure them joints are them free. When I'm it's like all these it's like ball joints. All them joints is like ball joints. It's like, it's a relief now. It's like, body alignment, these kind of things.
How long are you doing this, Ras, boy?
Well, I'm doing this about 10 years now. 10 years now I'm doing this, and
what you going to say about some of your customers? Because I know feel it, I just want to hear it from in your words now, boy.
well,
The kind of responses you just get from your people who just come and see you now.
yeah, but they never had no problem with that. People, when after they don't get, they share a little tears, they appreciate what they get. They never get a relief, and so long that sometimes some of them come with 15 years of back pain, 10 years of back pain, 5 years, and I just take out the tension from the
body.
Yeah.
Well, right. Well, we have somebody here. One of your clients here that we're gonna do a full test here to see how the thing going.
Yeah.
People will see where we taking from.
Yeah.
Now you hear it from the chiropractor himself / spiritualist. And I more feel it more spiritual. It's more spiritualism more than anything else. As I would have said, someone, you just see me, there was a guy there that had fixed stove, heaters, fridge, and all them kind of things. Because I myself would have employed him to come and he would have been the gentleman that you would have now seen, that would have explained this body alignment thing. You hear me, he would have used terminology like the ball joints, the hand, the rotor cup. That is the shoulder blade. This is where it was hurting me. I could not have raised my hand. I had real pains during the election period, as a matter of fact. It was very terrible. And I also had tensions within my head. The man would have dealt with that likewise, because he would have rubber concoction. I would have seen oil, rosemary oil, coconut oil. And you know how we just do it with the rosemary or with the rosemary bush inside of it. Now, you would have rubbed my head, the back of my neck. Obviously, we does feel these tension. And at the end of the day, some of us have nice name, pretty name, say tension headache. But what we deal with is relieving these symptoms. So at the end of the day, when these things, pain is stored within our body, and we use tablet according to the explanation, it's like, yes, we quiet off the pain and we put it in our body. But what about having real symptoms relief? Have you ever thought about it? Now, these are age-old practices. Some of us hear the old story. We had to get somebody to robbery, that somebody have gifted hands. But this is a chance where you can experience it at a fee. And trust me, it's reasonable. And the reason why I'm doing this is that I am seeing someone that is honestly talented and is showing, the resilience in helping out certain people. I see people would have went in there and heard testimonies, because it take me a while to produce this video, because I was to do a little groundwork as to find out who is the gentleman, what is he doing, is long standing there, and does it really help? Does it really help? Up till today, and this is about 2 to 3 weeks after, the pain, the pinched nerve feeling that I am feeling within my shoulder have been eradicated. Now, we are going to go in to the different cracks and stretches with a demonstrator, matter of fact. I would have gone, my brethren down on my side, my brother for life. 2 of us would have went there and, we would have taped the whole scenario, and with the intention to play it for the benefit of you, the listening public. You know why? Because some of us are going through this pain as like forever. And you might want relief. You might want this type of help instead of the pharmaceuticals. Instead of going down and lining up in those long lines in the drugstore and asking the druggist, hey, what we have for the headache? Again, some pain in my shoulder. This here is the solution for you. And don't take this lightly, because this program today is going to dive right into the myth and to the man behind this scenario. Something that can help you within your body and your soul. So pay attention as we go through this whole scenario here, and I hope that many of you won't continue to live with those pains and things within your joint. Meet the man behind me. Let's go right into it.
So we're going to do the cracky back.
Go stiffen, go stiffen, go stiffen. Go stiffen for just relax like you're sleeping. You will give the testimony after.
Wait.
Now don't take this thing lightly, you know. Watch how the gentleman would have carefully peeled out. Feel where the tension is. And watch what would have done after. It's none of Vicky thing. Watch how he would have feel for it. Is a feel. This fingertip feel that many of us have been talking about, have been known from straight back in, but in Russia, in Russia. They call it the fingertip feel. Finger switch in the foot. Something that you have to be there, you have to feel it. It's like an essence, you can't explain it. But let me don't take it up. Let me don't take much from this again. Look at it.
Relax. Very straight. You just very straight. I will move it.
Oh, God. Boy.
I hear that one from quite here.
Hey. Oh, boy. Oh.
Lie down flat. Yeah, like you know, man. Stick on the breath. Like down 2 more.
It's the best.
How your back feeling? Lee?
Way.
I hear that one from quite here.
Yes. Oh, God. Tears are almighty. Yay.
Breathing out here. Don't tense a minute. Breathe in. Out your mouth. You can breathe in. Out your mouth.
There you see it, people. The different cracks in the back.
They don't turn over and turn to one.
Again, the technique has been shown right before your eyes. Watch how we carefully feel for the spot. And when you would have feel that spot, boom, you apply pressure. And instant relief. And I can tell you, you just feel a sudden burst of pain and relief at the same time. Trust me, it does happen that quick. And crack. It's like, if wait now, something now happened there. Come on. The gentleman himself wanted to get up from on the bed. That is what you now experience. And you could be feeling the same way too. Just call the workers' rights. Workers' rights 868. The number is 333-2176. Just call, make an appointment. Get that pain, that stubborn pain that have been there and you're nursing it like a baby. When they get up in the night, you give it a butter. You gotta make sure. Come on. Don't nurse no pain. That is a bastard child. And we ain't with no bastard. Don't nurse no bastard child.
Ah! Oh. Oh. Oh, gosh. Hey.
Level first,
Ah! Ah! Oh, God.
That what you would have now seen there was cracking the hip just at the base, just right by the base. And the relief that I would have feel, you are seeing the gentleman there, the customer receiving the relief. And trust what I said, it. When I did see the first place, I thought, boy, this thing painful. But after you would have given the testimony and I would have experienced it, yeah, it's like, dog, I am a believer.
That's so bad. Yay!
Yes, let me relax. Drop your hand, drop your hand.
Follow me. No, así no quiero.
Now, I can't help but stress. Watch how he is carefully positioning the gentleman. Watch how he go intake. Now, he does know the difference between the real and the fake in it. Watch how he's carefully positioned every single time. I'm going to show you the part where I get frightened about. But trust me, you can't pay for this. You can't pay for this. But if you is in dire need of the service, call 333-2176. That is our number, the Lucas Rights number, and we will make the connection that is necessary to bring you the relief that is necessary. Simple as that. Stay tuned.
Where you call that one? The foot day.
The joints.
The joint.
Sciatic joints.
The sciatic joint. What are you doing there? You're aligning it there now.
Yeah, alignment. Everything is alignment. The body just like a car. Just perfectly. Just like a car. We just don't see it in that way.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I feel like that like your body. Your body.
Yay! That's all I need blessings.
How you describe the feeling as a sudden relief, a sudden pain, and a relief at the same time?
A sudden relief. I can't even say pain. The pain gone. The pain gone immediately. The pain I was getting. Yeah, brother boy.
So you
God
never.
bless you.
I now see you walking inside here. So what you're saying is a pain that you never know was there either too.
It's a pain that was there a long while. I didn't know how to get rid of it, but you know, my brother boy, I have to shake your hand. God bless you. These hands is blessed hands. Yeah, I've been reading it.
Yeah.
Yay! Finish me.
Yeah. When I get finished.
This is the part I really thought I could have called the police to these people. Because when I see this thing, this towel, this man rolling up on his foot, I'm like, okay. And then going closer into this whole situation, I started to say, hey, like the good and hang this man or what? But as I said, you had to leave it up to the profession. What I would have seen here, boy, power to the people, yes?
Nick.
Hey! Oh gosh! Oi. Oh. Oh. Straight recommendation.
Now you got complain like that. You gotta comply. You want the things where you want the things
Hey, you thought something. You thought something.
That no complain, only comply.
comply later.
Yeah.
Hey. Sorry, I told you all again, boy. Hey, God bless the man, boy. Hey.
Yeah, but you know.
Look at that. I sure all our get frightened. Even the man and all get frightened. Watch out. That there would have cracked the whole spine. You hear the different song that it would have just made? Nah, come on now. Don't tell me you ain't here. You hear that? You hear that song? Now, to the people, as I say, it's the same thing I would have went through after. And my whole spine, cracked my whole spine. Do not sit down, lie down, stand up, and nurse this bastard child that they call pain. Get to the professionals, get to the people that are capable of really relieving you from this pain. Some of you for years, or you had that pain in your side, in your back, some of you in your chest. Don't wait. Don't wait before it get more worse and nothing can help you. Because certain bones that have never been cracked before, even those that have been cracked, I never heard cracks. And to you that are still in doubt, we are going to continue with the rest of this footage and pay attention. Look at what is taking place. Do not sit back and nurse all these pain. Don't take these things for granted. This is our blessings that you actually are seeing this program. Trust what I say. Take this with a pinch of salt. You have been going through something for years. Now is your time. Just contact me. 333-2176. Thank you.
Yeah, you roll back in all of that.
Brand new.
Drive up, keep.
Brand new.
So that man pause me as well.
Hey. This not natural, boy. This not natural. This spiritual, not fleshly. Spiritual. Hey, God will bless you and my child will bless you. Hey. I ain't even hear man and I feel like you're starting. Hey.
I ain't gonna lie. First time I encounter something like this and just how the man saying I'm feeling like if I had a spiritual experience there.
This
And trust what I say. Watch me, if people not cracking on your back and not lining on you like this, trust me, there is only actors. And according to my partner, you know no actors here. At all.
Yeah, God bless them, man, boy. Yeah, do you even feel what I feel? If you feel what I feel, brother, don't you go lie down here. You go lie down here and this.
Now you gonna take a lie down.
Yeah, you know. Oh!
If you don't get some crack,
Yeah, still cracking. Yeah, places are hurting me.
them keep run away.
Yeah,
This right
100%.
100%.
You see this man? This man is the man all you need to get to. All you need to get crack up by. How I feeling? Alignment. You see just our car. You just go and pull your car in a ram to get alignment. Rasta man. Alignment. You need to come here, put your car in the ramp and stretch it out, brother. You align them joints back together, brother.
Yeah.
That's all you need to do. That's the right thing. I rate him 100%.
Yeah. Like back down here.
So,
Anyhow.
oh yay! Yay! Yay!
I hear 2 crack already. But not like that.
Your tooth never already cracked.
That's not what he's at, boy. I don't understand that. I hear and I can't believe what I see that. I crack my toes, my hand, everything already, but I never hear it crack so.
You're good.
Hold on there, hold on. That's what I need for, that's all.
The body never get this, never.
Never. I swear.
You see how hard them crack, them things take place, bro? You know why now?
Hey. Hey.
Once a man, twice a child, that's all it is.
Hey. Hey.
Look at the baby again, brand new.
You have to walk.
I'm glad you know that. Licks. He's me. Brand new after cracks. I recommend the Rasta. You understand? You need to get alignment. You see why you go through there? You hear them crack? Well, you hear them crack?
How much pain you had in your body before?
The pain was excessive as again joint pains, which means my spine from my neck,
Spinal cord.
my spinal cord, from down to my back. I was getting them kind of pain. Rasta man crack that every bone in my spinal cord, my fingers. Cameraman, I recommend you for the next one. Use the next man. You don't know bigger Rasta man. Alignment, 100%. I recommend you anytime. All you need to get with this man. Take it with this man. This man know what he doing. It's not no fake. It's not no scam. Like all you seen all over social media. This is real. He's me here, real me. Real. Come by Rasta man. Because severe back pain. You see this? Spine pain. You understand? Neck pain. All here. All this. He fix it. You go hear your bones crack. He making sure your bones crack. You get all the bones crack. All. When you feel gonna crack in your lifetime, go crack it. All the ears too, don't forget the ears. All this cracking. If all you never know ears is crack, this is crack too. To have a bone there, it is crack. Real talk. Love and respect.
I know that.
Oh God! Hey! I feel like I'm breathing better now.
Yeah. You feel like you breathe better now. Yeah.
Yeah, I recommend this man 100%. Whatever he's doing, he's spiritually guided. It's not physics. It's not what the doctor telling you. But everybody just need alignment. You need your joints, all your joints, crack. Because if you're lying down and sleeping home and you're not exercising, brother, you need to reach by this man. You're getting sweet. You're getting sweet. The joints getting tight. And you need to release your joints, your ligaments, your muscles. You need to release it. All this. You see all the neck? Where they say the most? From your neck, it is run to your spine. You get spinal problems. From spinal problems, it come across your torso, across here. And this man is the man to fix every problem. Yeah? One concerning joints, your ligaments, your spine, I recommend him. Full 100. I'm not playing myself no games, and I'm lying to you. As you see, we do it. Respect. A big up Rasta man. Full 100.
Give me a hand. Just let go your hand. You will let go your hand. It's a good job back. Yeah. Why? Let go your hand. Yeah. You know, just let go your hand like, alright, like it.
That's
Jump there. Jump there.
Ah! Hey!
Nah, give me the same one.
Oh, God.
That's a wound shape.
Yeah, I get a straight shoe. Put this finger on card. Knock a card.
Kind of pinch.
Yeah, right up there. Boy. I get.
Yeah.
I rate you.
Yeah.
I will recommend you to anybody with joint pains, spine pains, shoulder pains, any kind of pain one concerning joints.
Yeah.
I recommend you.
Yeah,
brother.
from the time you go by the doctor, man, get some tension, some pain.
Yeah, tablet.
Go in and give it, go in and tell you pressure, and it's not that.
There's no pressure.
Your joints just
Need to release.
Yeah, son, but them can't do that. Then they ain't get prescribed to do that. Didn't get, the system didn't learn them doctors say, well, the thing that them get prescribed
And then in medicine.
Yes, and you will be mining this pharmaceutical system.
Correct. What you saying is
Yeah, that.
what you saying is
Yeah.
Because if I go by the doctor for neck pain, I say, he say, what go on there? I say, well, I'm going to be sleeping on a pillow bad or whatever. He go and give me tablets.
Yes, he gonna get that tablet.
And when I supposed to come by somebody like you to rub it out because it's a joint pain. Tablets can't fix that pain. Even some tablets stop the pain.
Yeah.
The joint dislocate
Let me
the
tell you,
muscle.
a tablet was quiet the pain in a corner for a little while.
Right.
And after it done flow, you have to take a next one again to do the same thing.
Until
the
you will
people
carry,
doing
yeah.
the same thing.
And
you're not genuinely
you're not moving the
fixing
pain.
problem.
You're not moving the
You're
pain.
not genuinely fixing the problem. You're just mining the problem.
Yeah, with
And
tablets.
Yeah, with tablets and pharmaceutical will,
That not the right way. That not the right way. That not the
So,
right way.
so this year relieving the taking it out.
You're taking out everything.
You see
It
results?
have plenty people go to back surgery and they're not supposed to do that.
Correct. It's just a joint.
Right.
A joint to crack.
I
You do a
said this-
whole surgery.
Some kind of, yeah.
Just where you do it.
Then people go to back surgery and they're not supposed to do that.
Correct, exactly. We talk the issue.
Just alignment, the one.
Buggy, I'm big here. I'm not playing no games. You see what you do here today?
Yeah.
With this little video? I'm bring mama.
Yeah,
And
no,
what you do today for me, still give you something I'm
Yeah.
paying for mama to fucking man. Yeah, you be real?
No, seriously. And watch me. People just feel all, I tell you, I went all kind of places already, Solia. And I come out with more pain than anything else. I want to know if this man hurt up my back. But what I feel here, it is undescribable. And all you just have to come and experience it. It's an experience.
Experience.
Just like the Matrix. We can't tell you how it is.
Go
We show
by
you.
the doctor and take tablet. Come and experience the real thing.
Yeah.
The real thing. This
Yeah.
is the real thing. Sometimes your back really hurting you. But it's a crack here, what?
You only saw this man end up knowing this man here, right? This man called me to fix our fridge. This is my real soul here, JV, right? And I telling this man is a chiropractor. This man didn't want to come out this morning, you understand? See my JV fridge. And JV tell me about your pain and then I said, boy, brother, you have no problem. You understand? I said, my partner, he does do them thing. You understand? He come, or let's see what's going on. You understand? Look at him on the manual, 702 7570 at the fixed fridge, microwave, stove, blender, anything. On spot, and not taking anything. I'll come by your place,
And
everything is off for you, understand?
Yeah.
And it's that.
And watch me. I didn't believe it, innit? But I see it. For many Rasta man, when you watch me, you see the disbelief in my face.
I see it.
The man come just so and touch me here so and crack down this whole shoulder. I say nah. I tell my brother, I say, boy, we have to go down. I say, let me go. Let me go and see.
I want to experience this. This is for
Yeah.
real. This is the best thing that ever happened to a human being. Yeah,
Only in T-shirt. Only in T-shirt. Well, you see that. Right?
Shit, this happening, Rastaman is the man. When
Right.
they come through, you understand, I'm putting up all you do have to do a back surgery. But, come and get a crack back. In the real alignment, we call it. You see how it is carry a car by the alignment place? This is alignment, body alignment, we call it.
But seriously, men does do all kind of thing and fix the car and how every 3 months they change the oil. Or you see about how you sell properly now, about. See about how you sell properly where you can get relief. Not just symptoms relief.
Not
Pain relief.
Not painkillers relief, eh? I mean alignment with it. All joints, finger, neck, toes, your whole spine. Where you want more than that? Where you want more than that? You gotta go and take. Let me tell you the tablet is here. Paracetamol. Paracetamol. Any pain. You can have a toothache. You can have a finger. You can have a bust head. Paracetamol. We not giving you that here. We giving you joint. Pump your hand. Relax yourself. Your neck. Your back. That way we doing here. That way we doing. Come down here.
And as I tell you, no symptoms relief in it.
Pain relief. Pain. When you're
Pain
there,
relief.
you're living painless. Painless. Whatever pain you had and you feel it can fix in your joints, come down by Rastaman and recommend them. And no one telling all here. Because it are plenty already lie down and in moving all they get sweet. All in front of the TV. All in front of the TV. All they get sweet. And all the joints not activating how it's supposed to be moving every day. And sometimes you just get sweet and you get pain. That pain, it's not no tablet, no paracetamol, no. You need to come by Rastaman and let me rub it out.
Yeah.
Let me rub it out. I know I'm telling all you.
Rub it out.
This is the place.
And some of
recommended.
And some of your men who only making half a stroke, or you come and do your back crack now, boy.
Yeah.
Give the old man a full stroke.
A full show.
Don't give them no half a stroke. Give them woman and them a full stroke. Come and go your back crack.
Listen, man. I'm going to be real with all you.
That is how I feel.
Listen, man. Half a stroke in working. Our carriers use 2 stroke, boy. Come down my Rastaman. You get 3 stroke.
So yeah man, them have a stroke, come and get a full stroke down here and it's that. And with that, we outside.
Yeah, but JV, how you feeling, mate?
I'm gonna do a 3-stroke.
You understand? You so you
have to bring my man
never
to
come
allow
out
it.
solar, you know?
And me,
You
wait.
feel, you know?
Yeah.
Sure, it's
Understand.
never, you understand?
Yeah, that's that.
Praying Shiva.
Right, we are back, and you would have seen the whole picture. I didn't cut nor paste nor hold back certain things. There was obviously certain parts that was cut out because we that deem it inappropriate for viewing. I mean, in between takes, all this type of thing. Some of you are thinking, but we try to reproduce the scene as original as possible. So the many of you could see it from start to finish. Now we have break the myth. Many of you that would have gone for your back rub, your chest rub, your hand, your foot, your ankle, your waist, your upper shoulder, your lower shoulder, your spinal cord, you're going for a stretch. This guy could do every single thing that you are looking for. Again, in this world, obviously nothing is for free. Nothing is for free. But to the many of you, a matter of fact, we should give a compliment to the first 2 persons that book an appointment first. We are going to give you a free. We go sponsor it, a matter of fact. Because at the end of the day, I mean, the same Bible would have said, a man, by the sweat of thy brow, a man shall eat bread. And in this case, I think this gentleman is doing something that, only God could have blessed him with. And I am not standing and watch other people exploit him in that type of manner. He always go above and beyond. And, I believe he should be paid for it. And to the many of you that are outside that are studying the type of place that the man have and, that looking like a professional office. What you're really going there for something that looks scenic? Are you going there for pain relief or something? Where you want to come for what? Jesus Christ would have went in certain places and healed a lot of people. He would have spit in the ground at one point in time and make clay and rub it in a man eye and tell him go and wash it out in the Euphrates River. So at the end of the day, it no matter where the blessings come from, the mere fact is that you are being blessed. What good could come from that? Something that was stated by, in history. And then we would have seen the biggest thing that would have changed history. Jesus Christ would have appeared on the scene. And there is some form of spiritual side to this world that, in this technological age, we don't pay attention to. We need to go back to our spirituality. Right? So, again, the gentleman would have done alignment in the spine, the body, just as a car, as he would have said. Just as a truck, a van, your house and all at some point in time need refurbishing. Don't do this to your bodies. Your body needs tonic, yes. But what about the pains that is stored within certain places within your body? You need relief and you need capable people of doing it. I'm blaming the doctor, because there are certain people that just don't know better. It come like a child. A child just don't know better. And the people that are knowing better and is showing you, hey, this can be thing. Some of us just look at them as mystics and, as Obeah and all kind of thing, all kind of label, black magic and all type of thing that we label them. But to say in the least, what is taking place here is something that you could experience, the rest of Trinidad and Tobago could experience, and it is a blessing from me to you to broadcast it. Because I didn't want to carry down no camera down there and broadcast anything. I could have paid the man something and say, no thanks, brother, and we go on with that. Sometimes the blessing is sharing the message, and that is what I have done here today. Now, at some point in time, I don't know if the editor is going to release the next version of the video, where I myself would have partake in the same thing, the same cracking and necking, and as I tell you, my shoulder, the pain is gone. thanks to Almighty God, there is one God. I believe there is one. I believe. I have no problem with anybody else believing anything different. But to you, the members of the public, to you, Trinidad and Tobago, this service is open to you. Again, please call the number 333-2176. Do yourself a favor. Do your friend a favor, your mother, your father, a sister, a brother, uncle, aunt. Do them a favor. Forward this video to them and keep on. Matter of fact, subscribe to the channel to us. We are going to send you all type of content. This platform broadcasts a lot of stuff on it that is welded in facts and in truth. You might see me on other different videos, but this is what we are talking about today. Thanks for watching and being a part of this network. Subscribe. Do subscribe to the platform. Again, my name is Renison Jeffrey. This is the Workers' Rights Platform. And, to the many of you that see me out in public, I am not the persona that I put on here. Come on, that is something that I put on screen. But at the end of the day, is a man living, eating, breathing. I make mistakes just like any one of you. But according to Plato, to Socrates, when he would have visited the God, I know when I don't know something. And that is important in divulging knowledge. There are things that you may not know and you have to revert to an expert. I am willing to learn if I say something different or wrong. But at the same time, the many of you that are outside there that know something is wrong and still persisting in it. And when we speak about it, you call us, you didn't say anything, you look for the twist. That is hypocrisy. That is hypocrisy. Again, to the many of you that want to engage this service, this have nothing to do with what I believe in politics. This have nothing to do with what I just do. When I come on this platform, this have something to do with you at the end of the day. Your pain could go away in just 5 minutes. That long pain that you have been receiving for years could go away in just 5 minutes. Pick up the phone. This have, as I said, this have nothing to do with politics. This have to do with your health and your well-being. Because at the end of the day, we just notice something in the people. Here's what we just notice. When someone dies, we just notice that. And there and then you just realize that, hey, why are we fighting so much? Why are we fighting? So at the end of the day, do not take pain and ailment for granted. I am willing to put aside anything to help anybody who is feeling pain, including that of my enemy. My name is Renison Jeffrey. This is the Workers' Rights Platform, and I am out. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate all the likes, all the shares, and all the subscriptions. So if you haven't liked the video, there is a thumbs up. Like the video. Show us that at least, you're there, you're outside your audience. We see in the back of the pages that many of you subscribe and others watch because the viewership continue going up, and that is only because of you. You have religiously came back here to this platform and show support. But at the same time, when we are saying things and you may be in a position, it's not to just turn off the channel, or to turn off the TV or the internet. Call us. Challenge the narratives and things that we just be saying here on this platform. I should not dive into it, but my spirit lead me in that direction. Thanks for watching. Thank you, people of Trinidad and Tobago.